Mess Around!
Hello everybody and welcome to Mess Around TV, and I'm super excited today about our brand new mess kit, #1 Express Mess. Now, if your child is a massive Thomas fan, and my daughter absolutely loved Thomas when she was little, non-stop Thomas in our house, the videos, the toys, they were everywhere. She was definitely a #1 fan there. Then they are going to love this box. So this mess kit comes with some fantastic activities. First of all, you get your own Mega Block Thomas. So that's really cool. So you'll get your own Mega Block Thomas. And then you'll also get these brilliant Steamworks spare wheels. So these wheels are made of pasta and they have been dyed. So let's get this little box open and have a look. Oh, fantastic. Get these out. So these little pasta wheels have been dyed, all different colours. They're in the shape of a wheel, and I think they are super cool. These ones got orange, browns, yellows, and they look fantastic, and they'll make a great activity. You could do colour sorting, you could do wheeling around, all sorts. Now, also in your mess kit, there is Salty Sea Lovers Sparkle Slime. Again, another fantastic activity. Children absolutely love getting messy with our soap slime, and this one will be all glittery, and then all you need to do is add some water, or you can pour that straight out into the tray and it'll be ready to play with. Now, also included in your mess kit is this fantastic bath time mouldable foam soap. So I'm going to open this one up. I'm going to give it a little go. Let's have a look. I've not tried this one before, so let's see what happens. So this is the soap mold, the mouldable soap. Whoa! Now that looks really cool. Oh, it smells absolutely lovely as well. Look at that. That is really cool stuff. So they can have a whole can of mouldable soap. Get that out in the garden. That would be a lot of fun. Also included in there is your engine stuck in the mud, topsoil. It's treated, so it's really safe to play with. So the engines, the choo-choo trains can get stuck in the mud with that one. And also included in your kit is this Cinders and Ashes Fizzing Cloud Dough. And I'm going to get this one out and have a little play with this one. So let's have a look. It's like a grey colour. Let's have a look. It is definitely like Cinders and Ashes. Let's get some out. And included in your little pack is your vinegar that comes with it. And we're going to activate this now and have a little look. So have a look. Let's see if we get a pshh. Oh, here it comes. Cinders and Ashes. Shh. So that was really cool. So you can play with that without activating it first. And then when you're ready to activate it, just add your vinegar and it makes a big foam. That's brilliant, that. And also included in your kit are these fantastic dyed porridge oats. You get different colours. You get 3 bags of different colours. This one's got green, blue, red, but you may get different choices from your local leader. They are really good fun. You can lay them out, you can do some mark making, you can do shapes, you can do some colour sorting with that. And when your box is delivered to your house, it comes in one of these trays, which you can obviously put the mess in to contain it, and the children can play with that at home. And obviously it keeps it all together. All your materials come in pots as well, so you can scoop them back up, put it back in, and keep it for another day. And you also get these brilliant instructions, and I'm just going to tell you what's included because these are brilliant. They have the material, it's got the ingredients so you know what's in it, how to use it. It's got loads of play ideas and how you can extend play, and then gives you the storage ideas and how to keep it so you can use it for another time. So these are brilliant, comprehensive, messy play instructions that go with your mess kit. So if your child loves Thomas the Tank Engine, then you need to get over to our local leaders' Facebook pages, see if they're delivering in your area, and order one today. And then you can have some messy fun at home. Bye for now.